Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted your Power BI dashboard to display today's date automatically, maybe to highlight freshness, create a sense of urgency, or just to give viewers instant context, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a quick and effective way to show today's date on your dashboards. By the end, you'll not only know how to add today's date, but you'll be able to format it so it looks polished and always updates itself without any manual refresh. Let's jump right in. You don't need a special dataset for this. Your sales or product data is just fine. The magic happens in a few simple steps in the Power BI interface. So the first thing you'll want to do is create a measure for today's date. This is key because measures in Power BI are dynamic and calculation-driven. That's why they're perfect for things like dates that change every day. Go ahead and click on the Modeling tab up at the top and select New Measure. Now in the formula bar, type in todayDate equals today. That's it, just today in all caps with parentheses. Power BI recognizes this as a function that always gives you the current date on your computer or server, and as a measure, it'll refresh automatically whenever your report loads. If you're unsure about measures, just think of them as special formulas that live outside your raw tables. They're like smart, calculated fields. Before we put this on our dashboard, let's talk about formatting. A raw date like 2025-09-10 isn't very friendly, is it? Let's make it more readable, like September 16, 2025. To do this, create another new measure. This time you'll use the Format function, which lets you choose exactly how your date will appear. Type in today formatted equals format today, MMMDDYYYY. Here MMMM gives us the full month name, DD is the day, always 2 digits, and YYYY is the 4-digit year. So if today is September 16, 2025, you'll see September 16, 2025 on your dashboard. This kind of formatting makes your report feel much more user-friendly, especially if it's going out to clients or stakeholders. Now let's display your beautifully formatted date. To do that, insert a card visual. Card visuals are perfect for highlighting single values like a total sales amount, a KPI, or in this case, today's date. Click Insert and select Card. On the right, drag your today formatted measure into the card values field. Instantly, you'll see today's date pop up formatted just like you want it. If you're not seeing it right away, double-check that you've chosen the formatted measure, not the plain date, since the plain date might look like computer code instead of something readable. And here's the real beauty. You never have to touch this measure again. Every time someone opens your Power BI report, whether it's tomorrow or next year, that card will always show the current date automatically. It's like having a digital calendar built into your dashboard, keeping everything fresh and relevant. Take a moment to style your card if you want, change the font size, color, or background to make your date stand out. Don't worry if you need to experiment, visuals won't affect your measures, so feel free to get creative. And that's all there is to it. You've now added a self-updating, nicely formatted date to your Power BI dashboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. Leave a comment below with any questions or ideas, and don't forget to subscribe for more clear, actionable Power BI tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.